Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix the problem for Windows update not updating further. This is the error showing for KB503 is 7771. This is the pending to install. Okay, then you will step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for check the internet connection. Okay, you will check the internet connection for switch to the Wi-Fi. Then you will check the internet connection connect or not connect. You will check and connected to you will check the slow and any other issues for your router or modem any your device. If it's not connected to you will get connect. Then go to the second step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Like to the search bar, search the settings, you will click to enter. See the setting system, then you will start it to you will scroll down to see the troubleshoot. Click to the other troubleshoots. See the Windows update you will click to run. Then wait for the few minutes for the detected the problems. This is the detected is issue showing to you will get showing then you will get click to search it to get fix it. Okay, wait for a few minutes. I will skip the second step, skip the this step to continue to the third step for get open the CMD. Then you I will provide these two comments for this video description. You will copy to the first comment. Go to click to the search bar. Search the CMD and click to the run as enter. Yes, you will press the control plus V to click the enter. Verification 100% completed. Wait, this is check Windows is only. You will go to okay, then you will click to close to you will click to the settings, click to the Windows update. You will get click to raise some updates to get update. Okay, this is showing that this problem for you are bending the Windows updates, then you will click to some updates to problem which is solved. Any other issues to you will continue the next steps. Okay, this is a 14% is completed only. Then I will skip to this step to continue the next step for automatic the Windows update in services. Get click to the search bar, search the services. We click to enter. Scroll down to see the Windows update. And right click to properties. We will see the startup type for change the automatic services status for startup to we will change the start. Okay. After click to apply, click to OK. Then finally this command file only 50% only completed. This is the 100% completed to you will set the second command to you will complete it to you will paste it to click to enter. So this is the any one operation successful showing to this is the step for finish it. After you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solve it. After get update the Windows. Okay, then anyone doubt to put the comment and thank you for watching.